Hey guys, here's my 98 Toyota Prado gas 4-cylinder engine. Now this just got here not too long ago from Japan, and it has not been recon or detailed or anything yet. Just got it off the boat, if you will. But look how clean this thing is. The aluminum is not pitted. The bolts, none of the bolts are rusty. I think someone was in here. I can tell there's some tool marks on there. But I'll tell you what, it runs great. I think they did a tune-up on it before it got shipped over. If they didn't, it looks fantastic. Remember, this is a 98, so this car's 25 years old. Just look how clean this thing is. Again, hasn't been washed down or cleaned or detailed yet. I wish some of the newer cars look this clean. Actually has ABS for a 98. All the fluids are great. I do need to paint this grille. We'll work on that in the future. I'll make a video on that, taking that out and painting that. I just wanted to give you a good shot of no corrosion, no nothing on any of these. Can't find any rust at all on this thing, like anywhere. Tell me what you think about these 4 cylinders. We're Toyota fans, so I know they run forever. And with only less than 120,000 miles on this thing, I think we got a long road ahead of us here for enjoyment. Help me out. Tell me what you can about these the best you can. It's new to me. Just wanted everybody to see how clean this was. Again, 98 Toyota Prado Land Cruiser. All right, don't forget to subscribe so as I come out with new videos, you get to see them. All right, thanks guys. Talk to you later.